Before I start, I'll tell you a story, the story of our CEO. Declara was founded by Ramona Pearson. She was a math prodigy who got hit by a car when she was a Marine Corps officer when she was 22 years old. She was in coma for 18 months and she was blind for 10 years. And she got back her eyesight through an experimental surgery. She'll be speaking tomorrow, so please attend her talk. Declara was built based on her learnings. The reason why we exist is because we want to improve your potential, make you better through knowledge. That's what we do. So what we do in a nutshell is this, is that 30% of our time as knowledge workers, we spend searching for information, we browse it. If we like something, we put it in a bookmark, which is 300 links long. And if it is interesting, we put it in an email. There's a thread going on, some people drop off, it loses context. And 2 weeks later, all of that knowledge is buried somewhere behind 2,000 emails. What Declara does is that we bring it into one single place. There is a reason why we do it. The reason why we do it is if we are looking for information and losing it every few weeks, we are not being able to create a legacy of knowledge. We want to use this legacy of knowledge to up-level everybody up, not just developed countries, but also places who do not have access to knowledge. So what we will do is, I'll tell you a little bit about how we built this company. Declara started off, and we have installations in the government of Australia. So all the teachers in Australia use Declara. We have installations at CENTE, which is a Mexican teachers union, which is the world's largest with 1.6 million teachers. They use Declara. Over the last few years, we captured a lot of data and we realized that what we were actually serving were these three components: individuals, communities, and the content itself. And when you overlaid the individual on content, you could create collections of things that you've been browsing. Right? And when you took the same content and you overlaid community on top of that, that community could highlight stuff and call it insights. And anybody who followed through that person could do a +1, and that way we could mark the insight value of each article on the internet. So, and I'll show you some of this stuff. And when a community wants to talk to an individual, that's called messaging. And when you overlay all of this, this is what we call the learning profile. Imagine 30% of your time is spent looking for and using information, but you have nothing to show for it. If you talk to a designer, they send in a resume and they send in their portfolio, but a knowledge worker has nothing. So what the learning profile does is it captures that. So once you log into Declara, we automatically, using our algorithms, figure out what you want to learn. And we bring you stuff that you wouldn't have even gone and searched for. And it is presented to you in the form of a feed. There will be articles, there will be insights, there will be collections. Well, if this is not good enough for you, you can discover stuff. And so there is a page where you say, okay, I'm interested in this and that, and I like this person's profile because this person is like me, or this is how I want to be. We show that. This is what an insight looks like. You're reading an article, you mark it, and then you can immediately send it out. Now imagine those Twitter feeds you've received. It says interesting article, and here is the micro URL. Right? When you go to the article to figure out if it was actually interesting. And by making this available to social media, the tweet actually has the insight with the link. So just by looking at the insight, you can decide whether this is going to be interesting to you or not. You can also start a conversation right there in the insight. So imagine all the articles that you see where there is commenting and it goes off topic and people are marketing stuff, there are political views, religious views. None of that happens here because you're very focused on the insight itself. If you go to a person's profile, you don't have to read the 50 articles that person read. You can just sift through the 40 insights that person took. It's almost like the cliff notes of reading. How fast can you go through how much information? At the end of that, what you get is a learning profile. And the learning profile has got two elements. One element is the degree of engagement you have around certain topics and the breadth of influence you have around the same topics. Right? What are you engaged in and what do you influence people on? Right? Our approach is actually a bicycle approach because of the foundation of the company. We work on the business side to power the non-profit side. And so what we did, our first experiment was with the American Red Cross. On May 5th, we raised $23,000 from them in a single day by using this platform. And there are many, very interesting stories please come talk to us. We'll be happy to talk to you, give you access to the product, and get your feedback. Thank you.